Hi guys and gals and assalamu alaikum to all the lovely people who are watching me right now. So you guys, आज की जो video है that is, can you guys see? Oh my god, I'm so excited. Look at my hair. My hair was this much, अब मैंने इनको इतना कर दिया. And I want to share मैंने ये सब कुछ कैसे किया है with all of you. So you guys, my hair in winters आर वेरी स्ट्रेट. तो अगर कभी भी मैं कर्ल्स डालती हूँ तो वो नहीं होते हैं अनलेस कि मेरे बालों में कोई कट हुआ हो. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न वाई आई डिसाइडेड टू कट माई ओन हेयर एंड आई एम सो ग्लैड कि मैंने ये ट्राई किया. एंड आई विल इनकरेज यू ऑल टू ट्राई इट एट होम. अगर आपके बाल लंबे हैं स्पेशली तब. It will take you 1 hour to 1.5 hours if you're doing it on your own. Otherwise, कम time लग सकता है. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. So if you're cutting your hair wet, so you will need a spray bottle, comb. I'm going to use these two combs and clips, band as well is okay. This is the hair cutting scissor that I used. ये आपको नाहीद इम्तियाज़ दोनों पे मिलेगी. Now you can see my hair are pretty all right, but from the ends they are really dry out हो रहे हैं. तो we're going to cut now and I'm very excited. So first thing is you need to take out a middle part. अगर कोई help हो आप लोगों के पास so it's better, but if you're on your own, so try to take out the best middle part that you can. Next, section your hair. Now I am sectioning my hair from my ears and clip the hairs that you are not cutting at the moment. Again, wet your hair thoroughly so nothing gets dry. Making the first section is very important. Don't make it too thick or too thin. Just 1 inch section is good. Measure the length and here you go. This is the first cut. So once you are happy with the cut, so try to blend it. And here I'm taking the guide and doing the same thing. I'm repeating the same thing. It becomes really easy. I'm trying to make sure that I make a 90-degree angle, and this is just going to give me really soft layers. So yes, that is what I'm doing. Try to comb your hair. Always remember कि अपने बालों को ज़रूर कोम करें. इस तरह से जो है आपका कट बहुत इवन होगा. अगर आपके बाल स्ट्रेट भी हुए हुए हैं तब भी इवन होगा. You can see I'm done with one side and we're going to do the other side off camera, but I'm just showing you guys how to go about it. Measure the end pieces so that both the sides are equal. Again, I'm measuring over here ताकि everything is equal, nothing is unequal and all of that. And this is my guide. Now I'm going to repeat the same steps as I've done it on the other side. That's why I've fast forwarded as well. But I know बहुत ज़्यादा लग रहा है कि बहुत ज़्यादा मैं काट रही हूँ, but honestly you can see over here that I'm just following the guide and it will turn out okay. And voila, we are done with the bottom of our hair and I absolutely loved it. Now tie these hair at the back, and again you can see I am taking the crown section of my hair, and I will recommend you guys to make 2 sections, and you don't have to do the 3 sections. I've made 3 sections. Ideally you should make 2 sections. So here I'm repeating the same thing, and you can see how my hair are looking. Now check both sides. Now over here मेरे बाल थोड़े से लंबे थे तो I am going again and trying to level my hair. So it's a very simple thing. Please cut less first, and then if you like it you can cut more. You can see how my layers are, and I really like the look of these layers. When they grow out they look really nice. Alright, coming to the front section, start by middle part and take 1 inch section from either sides. मतलब कि right side से आपने 1 inch section ले लेना है and left side से भी 1 inch section आप ले लें. You can make the section small as well. That's totally on you. Pull your hair up straight up and see, you know, जहाँ पर भी आपके बाल आपको dry feel हुए हों, that is the point where you should cut it. Ideally you should not cut it above your chin. If you're going to do that, it's going to just give you shorter layers. And now I've again divided my hair in the center part, and following this guide I will repeat the same thing again and again. It's really simple, but again I'll say please cut less first and then you can go over, and yeah, that way you will not regret it later on. So yes, also a pro tip is that if you have thinning shears, so you can definitely use those. They really help to actually blend the layers better. So yeah, here you can see I am making my angle much more prominent so that, you know, the layers in the end look much more nicer. So yeah, that is what I'm doing, and this is how my hair look when they are wet. And now I'm going to just blow dry them and show you guys, because yeah, I did not add curls because I wanted you all to see the, you know, the real result, because I feel curls के अंदर इतना idea नहीं होता. So this is how my hair look when they are straight. You can see it's not perfect, but it's not bad as well. So I really like the look. I like the fact that my hair are looking full and all. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Lastly, I like to use almond oil. You can use olive oil, coconut oil, any oil. Mix some water in it and use this as a serum, and voila, you are done. So you guys, that was the video. I hope you guys liked it. One last thing is that I added almond oil, and I will recommend you guys to use oils as serums. They really help with your hair health. So that is all for this video, you guys. If you try it out, please comments में आके ज़रूर अपना experience share करेगा. I will leave the link of the original video as well. This was my first try. I will also get better, and I think we all can try this cut out at home. With that, I'll see you all in my next video. Take care. God bless you all, and Rab Rakha, guys and gals. Bye.